Morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunacy Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our first lecture titled What is Digital Economy? So I have divided my first lecture into the following elements as follows. What is digital economy? What is the significant role of digital economy? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is digital economy? Digital economy is defined by Oxford Dictionary as an economy which functions primarily by means of digital technology, especially electronic transactions made using the internet. The digital economy is sometimes called the internet economy, the new economy, or web economy. What is the significant role of digital economy? Digital economy plays a significant role in accelerating global economic development, enhancing productivity of existing industries, cultivating new markets and industries, and achieving inclusive, sustainable growth. Language activities, the word digital as an accountable noun rather informal means has one meaning. It is unaccountable when it refers to digital technology. For example, the company's global spend on digital during the pandemic of COVID-19. Finally, learners, please don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.